In this video, we are going to build a very simple AI automation so you can understand how this can be very powerful to your business. We are going to be using make.com to glue everything together, Rapid API to scrap information from YouTube, and finally AI to put everything together and write blog posts. Because what we're going to be doing here is scraping videos from YouTube. It could be any source, but in this case, we are using YouTube. And then we're going to create blog posts based on that using AI. We will take then the blog, format it to HTML, and then if you want, you could upload that to your website, like WordPress or whatever you host your blogs. So this is a very simple workflow, but it's going to make you understand how powerful AI automation can be for your business. So this is how the simple workflow looks like. Like I said, we are going to be getting a video for a personality we like. For example, it could be Alex Hormozy if you're in the sales industry. We download the video using Repeat API. We transcribe the video, probably using Whisper, which is an AI plugin from OpenAI. Then we write the blog post using OpenAI, and then we convert the post to HTML. For downloading the video, like I said, we're going to be using Repeat API. There's a lot of APIs you can use here to scrape different information. In this case, we're going to be using it for downloading the video, but you can have lots of different APIs like scraping information from Instagram, LinkedIn, and you name it, probably it's here. We will be using this one. It's called Auto Download All-in-One. So I've already passed all of the data from the endpoint, which is Auto Download All-in-One p.rapidapi.com. And then we have here the URL that we're going to be using. We need to put curly braces, and now we're going to be going to search for a video. Give me 1 second. So I found this one, and let's use it. Why not? I just copy the URL here, and basically I copy this thing here, and then if I execute this, so I came here, I added the quote I was missing here. Now I've executed again, and now as you can see, I got a status code 200. Everything was fine, and now we are going to be using let's get the audio only. With that will be enough. I need to check how the data is coming, and normally this is going to be very important when you're doing automations, because you need to see how you're gonna get the data, right? So normally we're looking for an MP3, but I just want to make sure when we iterate that we have exactly what we want. So for example, we have here M4A, this is audio, this one we can use. So let's get the first one. We simply put a iterator to iterate all of the data, which is the medias. Then want to make sure we are getting what we need, and we're just gonna be filtering when so there's two conditions. One is this one, which is the bitrate, and the other one, I think it was label context sensitive M4A, but I want to make sure. It was somewhere around here, M4A. Okay, I think that should be fine. Let's run it to see what we get, because what we're looking for is the URL, so we can download it after. Okay, so we've got it, and that's fine. So now we have this. Now that we have this, we need to download the file. We are going to be using a get a file from the URL, then we can download. Once we have downloaded, we can use Whisper from OpenAI, and this will transcribe an audio to text, and we get the file. There's no need, but let's translate this audio into English. And And that's it. So I had to change APIs because the one we were using was giving me a lot of trouble when I was trying to transcribe the text. It was not allowing me to download the video and was giving me a 404 error. Luckily, we've managed now to solve this. And we are using this other one from Rapid API, it's YouTube, where basically we're getting the ID of the video. And once we get the idea, we use this other one to transcribe the video. And as you can see, we have the title, and then we have the transcription by minutes, and also we have by text. In this case, using this one is enough. We don't need anything else, and we can automatically now use OpenAPI or ChatGPT to write the block. So I'm gonna pause here for 1 second because I'm gonna write the prompt. Before that, let me show you how I will connect this. I need to put my new connection, and I'm gonna do create a prompt, check completion, and yeah, I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, so we have now the prompt I've put together for the transcription, and I've used also a little bit of ChatGPT to help me do this. So basically, we say you're a professional blogger and SEO expert using the transcript provided below. Create an engaging and highly informative post that is optimized for Google search ranking, blah, blah, blah. Give the structure of the SEO, the content guidelines, HTML formatting, how we want to integrate the transcript into the blog. I pass the transcript test, and I tell generate the SEO optimized blog post in HTML. So let's execute it and let's see which kind of post the AI is writing for me. Okay, so we have it now. If I open, we can see here the result. As you can see, everything is perfectly done. And bear with me 1 second. I'm gonna copy this into an HTML website, and then we will see how it looks like. So we have the blog post now here. I'm gonna run my server. And as you can see, this is the kind of post that it has generated for me. In this case, it was called Mastering the Art of Delegation with Success. And it's just like taking the video from Alex Hormozzi, and it's kind of it's well structured. You can see you have different titles, subtitles, lists with bullet points, and everything seems to be optimized for SEO. You can obviously adapt it to your brand image and use it however you want. This was like a very general prompt, but at the end of the day, this kind of automation can be applied in many cases. This is very simple, and you will just need, if you want to polish this automatically or draft it for review, you can put another module for review, or automatically go to WordPress, click here, and then post, create a post. Then you will push automatically the blog that we've created. You will connect your website, and then it will be automatically pushed. Also, you can have a previous module here where you have a webhook, or a module which is checking every hour or every 2 hours or whatever time period you want to give if there's any new videos from specific persons. If there's none, it will simply stop. But when there's new videos, the automation will proceed. It will write the blog post, and then it will be published automatically to your website. So I hope this video was useful for you guys. Also, I hope you can really understand the power of automation and how you can really be ahead. While your competition is probably writing blogs manually, you can be completely automatic, have 100x their volume, and yeah, at the end of the day, be so much ahead and dedicated to things that are actually going to bring business and more money to your business. So hope you like it, and see you in the next video.